So magandang araw kabole. Sa video na ito, madami na naman tayong pag-uusapan kabole, no? Pag-uusapan natin pre-agency naman, and of course, ang biggest source pa rin natin, respect po kay Sir Snow Badwe, nakadami po siyang share ngayon kabole. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po kabole by talking some news kabole. At ang una dyan is, ito nga pong report, kabonan, si Jeff Carriazo, sabi niya, 2 steps forward ang dala ng isang Cedric Bearfield. So talagang napakataas po ang tingin nila kay Cedric Bearfield, kabona. And I do believe na the biggest reason pa rin dito is yung pinakita ni Mikey Williams with TNT. Yan yung ina-anticipate nila, ano? O sana gusto nilang makita from Cedric Bearfield. And of course, yung credentials nga naman ni Bearfield, kabora, naglaro Division 1, consistent player, ang dami niya napakita po sa International League. Pero before Coach Jeff even talk about that, kabona, first kailangan niya munang ayusin, kabola, yung kontrata nito si Cedric Bearfield. First things first pala, respect pa rin kay Jeff Carriazo, kabola, tinatry pa rin niya po na mag-act, kabola, that he is working for a team that wants to win, kabola. And he is really trying hard to win. So respect po kay Coach Jeff Carriazo. May column dito, okay, stop therapy Irma daw from giving away prize picks. Alam ko yung sagot. Ikaw alam mo? Simple lang yung sagot dito, kabola, diba? Simple lang naman talaga eh. Ang sagot dito is therapy Irma. It's up to them. Pero in reality, as long as Terra Firma yan, knowing that yung brand kasi na Terra Firma o yung company na yan doesn't really need public marketing, kabola. So for me, up to this point, unless magpapalit na yan ng franchise, do not expect them to change, kabola. Just do not expect them. Now, dito muna tayo sa mga comments po ng fans, kabola. In one of our recent po na video, sabi ni Rolando Garcia, malalaman yan pag naglaro na. Mahirap pa rin magsalita kasi, tignan mo, malakas katawan. I think lamang Sydney, but in height and accuracy outside shot, lamang Adamos. At mas bata at mas malaki. I think you are talking about hypothetical or yung assumption mo na skill set po nitong si Adamos, kabola, kasi nakita naman natin wala siya masyadong naipapakita talaga sa PBA. Pa-shoutout sir Ronald Barbusidad, our number 1 commander. Hello sir. Edmond Rosena, kailan ba naging ang trades pag involve ang Kangkong at SMB? Suga pa, kaya nga sila NSD nasanay sa daya, kabola. Dayan nga ba yung ginagawa po ng San Miguel at Ginebra? For me, ayoko mo lang pasukin ng ganyang usapan, ano po? So, kanya-kanya muna ang angulo yan dun sa kanila pong ginagawa sa mga farm teams. Lahat ng trades daw ng Ginebra, fair. O, naka-capital letters pa. Si user NJ5, no? Alan Aison, kung akin, talo kasi mas maliksi at mabilis si Anuberry. Kabola. So, kanya-kanya pong opinion yan. Pero again, we think that Northport won that trade, kabola. Now, ito na, free agency news tayo. Una muna, NLEX pinakawalan, 6'7 na sentro, Yusef Taha. I do not think dapat nilang ginawa yun, kabola, knowing nga na need ng NLEX ngayon ng big man. Even with the addition of Jonel Policarpio, si Policarpio kasi forward yan Hindi naman yan center. Si Taha, sentro po yun, kabola. So, sayang, di ba? Pinakawalan lang po nila ng bigla, si Yusef Taha. Pero baka nasa injury issue to, kabola yung dahilan. Pero, for the other teams, of course, big opportunity to at a 6'7", 6'8", kabola, who can really play in the PBA. Yusef Taha can really play in the PBA. Then, about Greg Slaughter po. So, sabi ni Snow Badwa nga dito, Colleague whispered to me that before signing with MPBL, Greg was offered a whooping 1.4 million contract by San Miguel. Paniniwalaan ba natin to na in-offeran po siya ng 1.4 million contract ng San Miguel? For me, yes. Bakit? Kasi ang franchise po na pinaka nagpakita na alam nila ang importance po ng Giants sa liga is San Miguel Birmen, diba? San Miguel Birmen, pinakamasipag yan na kumuha ng mga Giants po, kabola. Even mga bangko na Giants, kinukuha ng mga yan. Kasi they know, kabola, that height is might in the PBA. So for them to offer 1.4 million to Greg Slaughter, alam kasi nila na si Greg can really defend si Junmar Pajardo. So, diba, kung pwede mong kuhanin yung pwedeng dumepengan sa kay Kraken, diba, edi good for you. Pero of course, humindi po si Greg Slaughter. Bakit humindi si Greg Slaughter? Kasi po yung pass niya po with Ginebra. Alam naman natin yung pass niya, diba, kabola, hindi naging masaya yung pagtatawas, and even yung middle po nung kanya pong karera with Ginebra, especially with the Northport Batang Piera. Alam naman natin yung connection po ng Northport, of course, sa San Miguel Corporation. Now, sabi dito, it turns out Converge is trying to get the big man back to the PBA. The only problem now is the stupid role of the PBA giving perpetual right the player's mother's team. So, yun nga, may perpetual rights po ang Northport and that will be the biggest reason for Converge kaya mahihirapan silang kunin. So, for them to get ito nga pong si Greg Slaughter, they need to talk to Northport. Papakawalan po yung rights niya, kamuna. Yun ang issue ngayon, diba? So, kung hindi po papakawalan siya ng Northport, kamuna, hindi nila makukuha. Paano siya papakawalan ng Northport? Kausapin, maybe promise something inside or outside the court. Diba? So, kapag inside the court, then maybe that's basically a trade, diba? That will happen. So, worth it ba na makipag-trade po ang Converge just to sign Greg Slaughter? Nakadepende kasi yan kung paano nila gustong i-build up yung team. Pero again, if you will get the tallest, the biggest player in the league, you will have a big advantage. And yan pa rin po ang dala ng isang Greg Slaughter. So, mga Converge fans dyan, dapat ba siyang iparma po sa kontrata ng Converge? Comment lang po sa baba.